Alright, so I'm installing this MSD two-step on the vent. I'm probably going to mount it in here, run the wires through here. Pretty much as easy. You just simply unplug the coils and plug this right in. So you got to take off the decorative piece, plug that in, boom, plug that one into this one, and then route the wires. Okay, so 2 ways to wire it. You got one to hook it up to your clutch, but I'm not using it for racing, I'm using it as a secondary lever. So I got this hole right here where I ran my sound system's wire through. So put that right through there. Here. So I got it ran through that hole. There, boom. And we're gonna run it up through here and either do it there, take this old little piece out, pour that out for the switch, or put it in here. We'll see right now. So there's 2 single wires that come out of the two-step unit other than the ones that go to the coil harness. One is white and blue. That one would go to your clutch. The other one is solid blue, and it would go to a switch. So the solid blue line comes with the extra piece so that you can run it to a switch. The white and blue one does not. You do not use both of these at the same time. You're either going to wire it to your clutch switch or wire it to a switch that's just by itself that you would press to activate this two-step. You can mount the two-step anywhere you want to on either side of the vehicle. It's just you want to make it accessible so that you can access the dials to change the RPM on the module. The blue wire, of course, is for a switch, and what happens is when you have to wire it to a ground, so when you activate the switch, boom, the wire is grounded. And then with the white one, when it sees 12 volts, that's when it activates. Zip tied it to this right here, ran it back on here. The other side, tied it right there, and then it runs down in there. It's not on the header, make sure. And then right here, boom. I didn't want it. I should probably zip tie that. I'll probably zip tie that right there against the AC line, because I don't want it in here too much. Yeah. Boom. Zip tied it there. That's going in behind here. So yep. These do go back on. So go back on perfectly. Thing. I gotta take the intake off to take that off. So yeah, that's on. This side here. Everything's put back together. That wire comes up under here, boom, goes to here. Got the switch, and so the switch had a ground. I grounded it. I ran another wire from it. Hold on. From the switch to this is it. This red wire right here. I'm sorry, all these other wires are confusing. Yeah, this red wire, I grounded it to this bolt right here on the bottom. I didn't drill any holes or anything. Well, actually I did. I tried, but yeah, don't do that. If you are racing with this as a secondary two-step, the main thing that people use it for, of course, which I'm not going to be using it for, I highly suggest a push button or like a purge type button, or using it on your clutch pedal. You can get I don't know exactly how to do it on the clutch pedal, but I know you can tap into the wire that goes into the switch. That there's a switch back there. When you press this down, it knows that the clutch pedal is pressed in. There's a wire probably coming off that, a hot wire that you could tap into that will probably activate the two-step. This right here is a continuously on type switch that you would have to turn off. So like, let's say you're launching, boom, you turn the switch on, you hit 3K. As soon as you take off, you're still stuck at 3K. You're not, you know, until you turn this off. So you would have to launch, boom, turn this, flip this switch down, and then finish your pass. So a button type thing or something maybe on the side of, if you could run a wire up this type thing, maybe on the top type thing where you're boom, holding, as soon as you launch, bam, let it go. That would work for your switch. But yeah, once you turn on the switch, it's gonna stay on and your rev limiter is gonna stay at 3K or whatever you set it at. So like I said, I'm gonna be using this for drifting and swinging, you know, having fun in the car, to not continuously hit the red line. So it's probably gonna be set at about 6K, 59, 58, probably 6K. Who knows? But yeah. So yeah, I hope this video helped you guys. If anything, see you guys on the next one.